Today we are celebrating the International Literacy Day. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi said, literacy in itself is no education. Literacy is not the end of education or even the beginning. By education, I mean an all round drawing out of the best in the child and man body, mind, and spirit. Kofi Annan, he tells on this International Literacy Day, let us recall that literacy for all is an integral part of education for all and that both are critical for achieving truly sustainable development for all. Education, children, is the most powerful weapon with which you can change the world. This is said by Nelson Mandela. This is the World Literacy Day, uniting the world in literacy. This is the symbol. Now let us know about the International Literacy Day. The 8th September was proclaimed International Literacy Day by UNESCO in 1966 to remind the international community of the importance of literacy for individuals, communities, and societies, and the need for intensified efforts towards more literate societies. The issue of literacy is a key component of the UN Sustainable Development Goals and the UN's 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. The UN Sustainable Development Agenda, adopted by the world leaders in September 2015, promotes universal access to the quality education and learning opportunities throughout people's life. Sustainable Development Goal 4 has as one of its targets ensuring all young people achieve literacy and numeracy and that adults who lack these skills are given the opportunity to acquire them. The new 5-year UNESCO Strategy for Youth and Adult Literacy 2020 to 2025 has 4 strategic priority areas. First one is developing the national literacy policy and strategies. Secondly, addressing the learning needs of disadvantaged group, particularly women and girls. Thirdly, leveraging digital technologies to expand the access and improve the learning outcomes. Lastly, monitoring the progress and assessing the literacy skills and programs. So, why do we mark international days? International days and weeks are the occasions to educate the public on issues of concern, to mobilize political will and resource to address the global problems, and to celebrate and reinforce the achievements of humanity. The existence of international days predates the establishment of the United Nations, but the UN has embraced them as a powerful advocacy tools. We also mark another UN observances. Since 1967 International Literacy Day, celebrations have been taken place annually around the world to remind the public of the importance of literacy as a matter of dignity and human rights and to advance the literacy agenda towards a more literate and sustainable society. Despite progress made, literacy challenges persist with at least 773 million young people and adults lacking basic literacy skills today. Now, let us know about the celebrations of the International Literacy Day in 2021. It will be celebrated under the theme Literacy for a Human Centered Recovery, Narrowing the Digital Divide. The COVID 19 crisis has disrupted the learning of children, young people, and adults at an unprecedented scale. It has also magnified the pre existing inequalities in access to meaningful literacy. Learning opportunities proportionally affecting 773 million non illiterate young people and adults. Youth and adult literacy were absent in many initial national response plans, while numerous literacy programs have been forced to halt their usual modes of operations. Even in times of global crisis, efforts have been made to find alternative ways to ensure continuity of learning, including the distance learning, often in combination with in person learning. Access to literacy learning opportunities, however, has not been evenly distributed. The rapid shift to distance learning also highlighted the persistent digital divide in terms of connectivity, infrastructure, and the ability to engage with technology, as well as disparities in other services, such as access to electricity, which has limited learning options. The pandemic, however, was a reminder of the critical importance of literacy beyond its intrinsic importance as a part of the right to education. Literacy empowers individuals and improves their lives by expanding their capabilities to choose a kind of life they can value. It is also a driver for sustainable development. Literacy is an integral part of education and lifelong learning premised on humanism as defined by the Sustainable Development Goal 4. Literacy, therefore, is essential to human centered recovery from the COVID 19 crisis. The International Literacy Day 2021 will explore how literacy can contribute to building a solid foundation for human centered recovery, with a special focus on the interplay of the literacy and digital skills required by non literate youths and adults. It will also explore what makes technology enable literacy learning inclusive and meaningful to leave no one behind. By doing so, the International Literacy Day 2021 will be an opportunity to reimagine the future literacy teaching and learning without beyond within and beyond the context of the pandemic. Thank you, children.